Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. Tom and Madge are on the road again. Back on the road again. Uh-oh, I better not sing that song. I'm liable to get a copyright strike on my YouTube. Anyway, we're heading up the Dalby Road here. We're going up here to take some shoes to get repaired to the shoe man. And I could never find this place on my own. Only Madge can find it. So I got to take her with me today. Even though she's a bit feisty, I got to take her along. So here we go. Well, maybe I'll do a little bit of video out the window like I did the other day, you know. That'd be a good idea, don't you think?
What do you mean?
Do a little video out the window. Everything in Jamaica is just so unique, so beautiful. It really is something, really something. Oh, well, except for the roads. The roads aren't so beautiful, or really something. I might need to roll this window up if this taxi man goes by. He gonna splash me. Yeah, he gonna splash me. Okay, take the window back down. You want yours down too? Just well, I guess, huh? Just well enjoy the out of doors, otherwise, if I'm not gonna have the air on, you know. Well, there's a car wash up here too. See the sign?
There's a car wash.
Yeah. So anyway. Okay. This is what road do you call this?
You know, I don't know.
Oh. We're getting close to the. Now, where do we go? We go left?
Right.
Oh, it's right here.
No, it's closed.
Oh, it's closed. Oh, I didn't know this was so
Easy
easy to find. I always thought we had to take some crazy roads. I don't know why I thought that. I could find this now on my own. I didn't realize. Okay, well, let's see what's going on here. I wonder if he's... Yeah. You know, he may be closed. It's a Friday. It's 4 o'clock. Oh, yeah, he could be 7th day. So, yeah. See what you can find out. If you holler for him, maybe he'll come.
Mr. Simpson?
Okay, Maisie's calling for him, so we'll soon be getting our shoes in for repair. Oh, that's the wife. I don't know about the man. Oh, there's some mangoes back over in here. On the other side of those, ackee is some mango. See that hanging down? I think whenever we've come here before, we've been on some other road or going somewhere else, because this is real simple to find. I don't know why I had in my mind that I couldn't, you know, even find this place on my own, but it's just like I could definitely find it again. So, and I think I can find my way out now too. But I am getting more familiar with up here because we've been up here a few times. But I think usually Madge has me take some other roads, and we're doing some sightseeing and all the kind of things we like to do, so I don't get to see it. So that's what happens. But anyway, she's doing that. She's getting the shoes turned in. So anyway, there you have that. Okay, we'll come back on Tuesday.
Yeah.
All right, very good. So he's out and about today, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just come here and lay down and get some rest.
Oh, I don't know how I ended up with those keys in my lap. Oh, I know, when I grabbed that cloth to wipe off my lens.
Watch that little puppy.
Oh yeah, I better watch for him or I'll accidentally run over him.
Watch him.
Hello.
Hello. How are you? Owen?
Yeah, man.
Okay. All right. Up in the lane do you live?
No, around here, sir.
I'm going to run some of my passing. Okay.
Eh?
I will run down some
Yeah,
of my
run a
passing.
Sterling Road.
Oh, because you don't have place up there?
Yeah, out there, I'm going to open my brother's house.
Ah.
We have our next house up there.
Okay.
Yeah, we're dying. Got a little boat, you know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a feel.
Leon.
Yeah, that's my niece.
Uh-huh.
All right.
Yeah. All right, take care. Yeah.
You know, just run into people, you know, everywhere. And everybody's so friendly, you know. That's one thing about the rural part of the country. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Respect. That's the thing about the rural part of the country, you know. Everybody is so friendly and welcoming. It's really.
They can be so
Yes,
nasty.
sir.
They can be so nasty too, you know.
Well, let's don't put that on the video.
Oh, well, yeah.
Do I need to turn there? No, I need to go this way, right?
This way, yeah.
Okay. See, while you were in there, I was talking about how I think usually when we've gone there before, we were going some different kind of way, you know, coming from Hilltop or something. So I didn't realize it was so easy to get to. I don't know why,
So
but
you
it's
see
just
it there.
simple to get to.
Yeah.
I could drive there. I could go pick them up myself. And then as I was sitting there, I said, you know, I'll bet I could find my way out of here too. And I think I'm about to, because I'm going to go by Renee's school up here and just drive right out of here. Just like I know what I'm doing. Let's see if we can find my way. Here we go. See the painting on the walls of the school. That's so cool. No, you don't see. You see ready-made signs. You don't see the painting. There's the Dalby post office. Yeah, you just don't see the ready-made signs. All right, I think I got to go this way. And then here's where I could run into trouble. I think I want to turn left. Oh, cooking going on over here. Yeah. Yes, sir. Hey. Okay.
I buy a grandfather shop.
Oh, Bilo's grandfather's shop.
Yeah.
Okay, I got to take a picture because I know Bilo watches this, so he'll definitely see this.
In my father.
Okay. Okay. On his mother's side, grandfather and his mother's side.
Mother, father.
Yeah. There you go, Bilo. That's for you, buddy.
His father live upstairs.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that was cool that you noticed that to say something so that I could stop and get a good photo of it and all, you know? Well, the sun's starting to go down now. Hello. Big up yourself. Yes, sir. Respect. Okay. yeah. No, I know how to go here. I've come up this way before. Because we used to go, when Dolly was still around, and we used to go see Dolly.
See some arms up
Uh-huh.
there.
Well, look how tall that hill is right there. Yeah, it's really high. A lot of people around on the road tonight. Good evening.
Big up, big up yourself.
See, more people like to be videos because you saw everybody giving me big ups and respects and all kinds of something. So people love to be videoed. It's just
some people.
Just some people
have
don't.
Something against, because they have something against them, they don't want it.
Well, they don't like the way they look on camera, or they're trying, you know, they got something to hide.
Some of them are
they're in trouble.
They're not with us, so
yeah,
they just want to fight.
Yeah.
They don't have no reason.
Yeah. But today's been a good day. Everybody's been enjoying being on video. Hello.
Hello.
What do you think? We'll go to Golden Grove tomorrow and do the tire? I mean, we could do it tonight, but... Well, I could go do it too. You don't have to necessarily go along. Thank you. Okay. Hello. All right, we're almost home. We decided not to go into Hampton, into Stokes Hall to do the tire. We'll do that tomorrow. I may have to go by myself in the morning. Hey, there's a movie star, Lemmy, right there. Oh. Okay, sorry. Yes, sir. Oh, he's got a low tire. I wonder if he knows that. Huh? Oh, you want to go buy something? Let's go back and get something. Yeah, I'm gonna go back here and get something. There you go. All right. Somebody's on the road selling some cakes and breads and, you know, buns and stuff. So she got to get some of that. Yeah, she gonna get some of that. Madge even got a shopping cart for all the goodies here. Huh? Oh yeah. That's a good idea. There, behind you, sweetie.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Oh, a wine loaf. You know, that's the thing about Jamaica. People selling stuff on the road. So it's really nice, you know. So. Okay. Well, That's the nice part about it. You can get stuff on the road all the time. We got the crew. We got the crew. Waiting?
Yeah.
Got a little something for you to go with
man.
that. With
Yeah,
that with that dragon.
Yeah, man. Thanks.
You got him?
Yeah, man.
All right.
Yeah, man. Respect, man.
Respect.
Right,
Big
right.
up yourself.
Big up.
What's up? I'm good, buddy. I'm good. I like your shirt. Bronx.
General, let me know.
It looks good. It's a nice looking shirt. Later. Huh? Yeah, wine flavored loaf. All right, viewers and subscribers, we made it home. So thanks for joining us on our little shoe repair outing that turned into a little bit more than that. Maisie can't say big up to you right now because she. Oh, it's warm.
No, because it was in the
Oh, because it was
sun.
in the heat of the sun. Yeah. I can't. Don't put it in my mouth yet because I got to finish the video. All right. Be sure and like, share, comment, and subscribe to Red Button Journal. Big up yourself.